Quality Bumper has been doing towing products since its inception. I mean, since 1968, we've been the towing company. That's why we got 4 locations, and all of them do trailer hitches, fifth wheel hitches, gooseneck hitches. So really, we cover the whole spectrum when it comes to trailering. Now we do the wiring, we do brake controllers, so we can do every aspect when it comes to pulling that trailer that you need behind you. The product line so that we carry, the brands, Curt is #1 on trailer hitches, and B&W is the leader when it comes to gooseneck hitches. We don't carry anybody else but B&W when it comes to that. If you're looking for a towing product, Quality Bumper is the place you need to come to. The reason being, we're the professionals. We've been doing it since 1968. We have qualified installers. We have enormously intelligent salespeople to be able to get you in the right application for the need that you have and get you on that road safely, because that really should be the #1 thing you think about is safety. Price should come second when you're towing products.